Lovely family. Father, mother, and son. Mother prepared breakfast in the morning. Enjoying the morning breakfast. Mother is going to drop the child off at school. The boy is saying goodbye to his neighbor named Jolie. The mother has dropped the child off at school, but today she's going straight home instead of going to work. The husband was enjoying himself with the neighbor while his wife was away, but the wife saw everything. Now that the wife had seen everything, a fight broke out, and she ended up getting hurt on her head. The husband put the wife in the car's trunk and dumped her in a garbage area before leaving. The son returned from school and asked his father why his mother didn't come to pick him up. The father replied that she had gone to sleep forever and disappeared. The son understood. The son went to the police station and told the officers everything. The police officer arrested both of them.